Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a QR code in Excel. So let's get into it. First of all, let's open Microsoft Excel. As you can see, I have already opened it on my computer screen. Now to create a QR code, open the Insert menu and then click on My Apps. A new window will open up on the screen. Here, search for QR for Office and hit Enter. Wait for the search results and click on Add button and then continue. You will notice a new menu called QR for Office opens up on the left side of the screen. Now to create a QR code, first select the link type and choose anyone from this drop down. I will go with the custom option. Type the URL or paste the copied link here. The QR code is successfully generated. You can add styling by changing its color, background color or size. You can preview the QR code and finally click on Insert. You can see that the code is successfully inserted and you can change its position accordingly. And that's it. This is how you can create a QR code in Excel. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.